In a quiet town, where streets were narrow and people knew each other by name, there lived a young girl named Ayesha. She was 16 years old, simple, kind, and full of dreams. Her biggest wish was to study well and make her parents proud. Ayesha's father worked in a small shop, earning just enough to run the house. Her mother stitched clothes for neighbors to support the family. Life was not easy, but there was love in their home. One evening, Ayesha came home from school with her exam results. Her face looked worried. "Mommy," she said softly, "my marks in English are very low." Her mother looked at the paper and sighed. "You are a hard-working girl. What happened? I don't understand grammar, and my teacher goes too fast." Her father, sitting quietly in the corner, spoke after a moment. "Education is important. We will arrange a tuition teacher for you." Ayesha felt a little relieved. She believed things would get better. A few days later, her father found a tuition teacher named Sir Cameron. He was known in the area as a strict but experienced teacher. Many students studied with him. "Don't worry," her father said, "he will help you improve." Ayesha nodded. Her first class was in the evening. Sir Cameron's house was old, with dim lights and a quiet atmosphere. There were a few other students sitting on the floor, reading their books. Sir Cameron entered the room slowly. He had a serious face and sharp eyes. "Silence," he said. Everyone became quiet. Ayesha felt nervous, but she told herself, "This is for my future." In the beginning, everything seemed normal. Sir Cameron taught grammar rules, gave homework, and corrected mistakes. He spoke in a strict tone, but Ayesha thought it was part of his teaching style. After a week, he noticed Ayesha. "You," he said, pointing at her, "you are weak in English." Ayesha lowered her eyes. "Yes, sir. If you want to improve, you must work harder, and take extra classes." "Extra classes?" she asked softly. "Yes. After others leave." Ayesha hesitated, but she wanted to improve. "Okay, sir." That evening, she stayed after class. The other students left one by one. Soon, the room was empty. Sir Cameron closed the door. Ayesha felt uncomfortable. "Sit here," he said, moving closer to her. He started explaining grammar again, but his tone was different now, softer, almost strange. "You are a good girl," he said. "But you need guidance, special guidance." Ayesha nodded, not fully understanding. As the days passed, these extra classes became regular. But something began to change. Sir Cameron would sometimes stand too close. He would look at her in a way that made her uneasy. Ayesha felt confused. Is this normal? She wondered. She didn't tell anyone. One day, while explaining a lesson, Sir Cameron touched her hand. Ayesha quickly pulled back. "Sir, what are you doing?" He smiled slightly. "Don't be afraid. I am your teacher. I care about you." Ayesha's heart started beating fast. "This is not right," she said. His face changed. "If you want to pass your exams," he said coldly, "you must listen to me." Ayesha froze. Fear filled her heart. That night, she couldn't sleep. Her mind was full of questions. Should I tell my parents? What if they don't believe me? What if my studies stop? She felt trapped. The next day, she didn't want to go to tuition. But her father insisted. "You must go. We are paying for this." Ayesha stayed silent. Days turned into weeks. Sir Cameron's behavior became worse. He started giving her threats. "If you tell anyone, I will tell your parents you are a bad student, and I will fail you." Ayesha felt helpless. Her smile disappeared. She stopped talking at home. Her eyes looked tired. Her mother noticed. "What happened, Beta?" she asked gently. "Nothing, Ami," Ayesha replied. But, inside, she was breaking. One evening, something unexpected happened. A new student joined the tuition class. Her name was Sana. She was confident and outspoken. During class, Sana noticed Ayesha's silence. After class, she approached her. "Are you okay?" Sana asked. Ayesha forced a smile. "Yes, I'm fine." But Sana wasn't convinced. The next day, she stayed after class quietly and observed. She saw how Sir Cameron behaved differently with Ayesha. Her expression changed. After the class, Sana pulled Ayesha aside. "Listen," she said seriously, "I saw everything." Ayesha's eyes filled with tears. I don't know what to do," she whispered. "You must tell someone," Sana said firmly. "I'm scared." Sana held her hand. "You are not alone." That night, Ayesha finally spoke. She told her mother everything. At first, her mother was shocked. Then her face turned pale with anger. "Why didn't you tell me earlier?" she asked, tears in her eyes. "I was afraid," Ayesha cried. Her mother hugged her tightly. You did nothing wrong. When her father heard, he became furious. That man, he said, clenching his fists, he will not escape. The next day, Ayesha's parents went to Sir Cameron's house. Other parents were also called. At first, Sir Cameron denied everything. These are lies, he shouted, but Sana stepped forward. I saw him, she said. Another student spoke. Me too. One by one, the truth came out. Sir Cameron's face turned pale. His respect in society began to fall apart. Soon, the matter reached the authorities. An investigation started. More students shared their stories. The dark secrets of Sir Cameron were finally exposed. Ayesha felt scared but also relieved. The burden she carried for so long was finally lifted. Days later, life slowly returned to normal. Ayesha stopped going to tuition. Instead, her father found a female teacher for her. This time, the environment was safe and respectful. Ayesha started smiling again. She focused on her studies with a new strength. One evening, she sat with Sana in the park. Thank you, Ayesha said softly. Sana smiled. You were brave. I just helped a little. Ayesha looked at the sky. I was so scared, she said. But now I feel free. Months passed. Exams came again. This time, Ayesha was ready. She worked hard, studied every day, and believed in herself. When the results were announced, she held her breath. Her hands trembled as she opened the paper. Then, slowly, a smile appeared. She had passed, with good marks. Her parents were overjoyed. We are proud of you, her father said. Her mother kissed her forehead. Ayesha felt something warm in her heart. Not just happiness, but strength. She had learned something important. Sometimes, silence protects the wrong person. But truth, even if painful, sets you free. Moral of the story: never stay silent in the face of wrong. Speak up, trust your loved ones, and remember, your safety and dignity always come first.